Thermostat wiring should be 18-gauge stranded thermostat wire because correct gauge prevents voltage drop and preserves reliable communication between thermostat and system. Use 18-gauge stranded thermostat wire for runs up to 100 feet to ensure reliable 5-volt to 24-volt control signals and pulse communications. For runs beyond 100 feet, consider stepping up the conductor size to 16-gauge to reduce resistance and maintain signal integrity while still using low-voltage control wiring. Keep runs grouped and away from high-voltage or large motor wiring to minimize induced noise. Separate by at least 6 inches or run in different conduit when crossing at right angles. For systems that carry multiple control circuits, use color-coded conductors or durable labeling at both ends, so installation and future troubleshooting are straightforward. Terminate wires onto screw terminals by wrapping clockwise and tightening firmly, or use crimped ferrules if terminals accept them to prevent loose connections and intermittent resistance changes. For digital thermostats that communicate via proprietary signaling or two-way data, maintain twisted pair topology where recommended and avoid untwisting more than ½ inch at terminations. Common mistakes are running thermostat wire with power cables in the same conduit, which can introduce noise and cause intermittent or erroneous thermostat behavior, so route low voltage wire separately or cross at right angles. Another issue is using solid core house wire meant for permanent branch circuits instead of stranded thermostat cable, which can fatigue at connection points and break. Use stranded 18-gauge thermostat cable or crimped ferrules to protect the conductor. Finally, installers sometimes skimp on length and pull wire tightly, which causes strain and potential conductor damage. So leave a service loop of about 1 foot at each end and pull gently with lubricant if going through long conduit runs. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and to assist contractors in finding work related to home systems and upgrades. We host a discussion community where users share experiences, ask installation questions, and get practical tips from peers and professionals.